Beauty benefits of baking soda. Baking soda is incredibly versatile and can be used to treat a lot of different issues. Following of the 5 different beneficial ways in which you can use baking soda. Note: please ensure that you are using baking soda and not baking powder for the following remedies to be effective. Number 1. Baking soda for acne. You will need 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon water. Prep time: 2 minutes. Treatment time: 3 minutes. Method: mix the baking soda and the water until you get a smooth paste. Wash your hands and your face and pat them dry with a clean towel. Massage the paste onto your nose and other areas affected by pimples, blackheads, or whiteheads. Leave it on for about 2 to 3 minutes and rinse off the paste with warm water. Rinse your face for a second time with cool water and pat dry with a clean towel. Finish by using a non-comedogenic moisturizer, as baking soda can be quite drying on your face. How often? 2 to 3 days at a stretch and then twice a week. Why this works? Baking soda is an excellent remedy for pimples, blackheads, and acne. It is a mild exfoliant that helps remove dead skin and cleans your pores. It does this while helping dry out and heal existing acne. Baking soda also has antibacterial properties which prevent breakouts. Number 2. Baking soda for blemishes. You will need 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Prep time: 2 minutes. Treatment time: 3 minutes. Method: mix the baking soda and the lemon juice until you get a smooth paste. Wash your hands and your face. Using a towel, pat away the excess moisture from your face, leaving it slightly damp. Massage the paste onto the areas affected by acne marks, dark spots, and pigmentation. Leave it on for about 1 to 2 minutes and rinse off the paste with warm water. Rinse your face for a second time with cool water and pat dry with a clean towel. Finish by using a non-comedogenic moisturizer, as baking soda can be quite drying on your face. How often? 2 to 3 times a week. Why this works? Baking soda and lemon juice have bleaching properties that help lighten and fade scars. It also helps you achieve an even skin tone by getting rid of dead skin cells. Number 3. Baking soda for large pores. You will need 1 tablespoon baking soda, 1 cup water. Treatment time: 2 minutes. Method: in a jug, dilute the baking soda with a cup of water and set the mixture aside. Wash your face as you normally would with your regular cleanser. Splash the baking soda onto your face and then pat dry. Proceed to moisturize your face with a non-comedogenic product. How often? Use this toner about 3 to 4 times a week instead of your regular toner. Why this works? Baking soda is an astringent that helps clean out your pores while shrinking them. This treatment also prevents acne by keeping your pores clean and sealed. Number 4. Baking soda for dark neck skin. You will need 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon water. Treatment time: 15 minutes. Method: mix and dilute the baking soda with water until you get a runny paste. Cleanse your neck and pat it dry with a clean towel. Apply the baking soda paste and wait for about 15 minutes. Wash your neck with cool water. Moisturize with a non-comedogenic moisturizer. How often? Repeat this daily until you see your neck lighten. Once you notice a difference, use this treatment twice a week to maintain an even complexion. Following the same treatment, you can also use baking soda for lightening your elbows and your knees. Number 5. Baking soda for glowing skin. You will need 2 tablespoons freshly squeezed orange juice, 1 tablespoon baking soda. Treatment time: 15 minutes. Method: mix the baking soda and the orange juice until you get a smooth paste. Wash your hands and your face. Using a towel, pat away the excess moisture from your face, leaving it slightly damp. Apply paste onto your face like you would a face mask. Once your face is evenly covered, wait for 15 minutes. Pat some water onto your face and rub the face pack loose. Rinse your face with cool water and pat dry with a clean towel. Finish by using a non-comedogenic moisturizer. How often? Once a week. Why this works? Orange has a slightly acidic pH which helps maintain the pH balance of your skin. It also contains a lot of vitamin C which helps give your skin a collagen boost. The exfoliating and cleansing properties of baking soda can remove impurities and dead skin cells from your pores. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comments and subscribe our channel. Thanks.